Hello my dear students. Today through my video, what is called coalition government and what is the importance of coalition government nowadays in democratic type of governments. So let's get into video. In some countries, power usually changes between two main parties. Several other parties may exist, contest elections, and win a few seats in the national legislatures. But only the two main parties have a serious chance of winning majority of seats to form government. Such a party system is called two-party system. The United States of America and the United Kingdom are the examples of two-party system. If several parties compete for power, and more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power, either on their own strength or in alliance with others, we call it a multi-party system. Thus, in India, we have a multi-party system. Up to 1967, in India, single party dominance was there. That was only Indian National Congress. Up to 1967, there was no competition in contesting elections against Congress party. Thus in India, we have a multi-political party system nowadays. In this system, the government is formed by various parties coming together in a coalition. When several parties in a multi-party system join hands for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power, it is called an alliance or a front. Suppose, for example, in India, there were three such major alliances in 2004 parliamentary elections: the National Democratic Alliance, the United Progressive Alliance, and the Left Front. The multi-party system often appears very messy and leads to political instability. At the same time, this system allows a variety of interests and opinions to enjoy political representation. So, which of these is better? Perhaps the best answer to this very common question is that is not a very good question. Party system is not something any country can choose. It evolves over a long time depending on the nature of society, its social and regional divisions, its history of policies, and its system of elections. These cannot be changed very quickly. Each country develops a party system that is conditioned by its special circumstances. Thank you.